The Palo Alto Medical Foundation Santa Cruz and Sutter Maternity and Surgery Center provide care to qualified low-income patients and to those enrolled in Medicare, Medi-Cal, and MediCruz.
Well, for us, it's really been a critical resource.
Rama Khalsa is the director of Santa Cruz County Health Services.
We work as a team to try to turn no one away because of inability to pay. We have a special program with Sutter Hospital to identify people who are uninsured, who don't fit into other public programs, and they help us not only make access available, but they give us free and or deeply discounted services for those patients.
The basic primary care for low-income patients is generally provided by local counties, but it's the specialty health care, such as surgery, cancer treatment, or a cardiogram that so often cannot be afforded. This is where PAMF Santa Cruz and Sutter Maternity and Surgery Center step in. Deborah Rayleigh of Santa Cruz had to undergo 2 surgeries last year, 2 procedures that couldn't be ignored. Deborah, like so many others, doesn't have health insurance and therefore could not afford the health care.
I had 2 doctors each time, so each doctor and the hospital stay and whatnot, it adds up fast. More than I could ever imagine to pay myself. Got a referral from my MediCruz nurse and doctor, and they got me in touch with Access to Care, and they got me hooked up with the doctors at Sutter, and they took really good care of me and had a successful surgery and recovery.
Without PAMF, Sutter, Santa Cruz, we would not be able to operate. I mean, absolutely frankly, we would not be able to provide quality care because we can only provide primary care.
Dr. Poki Namkung has worked in other communities and says what she sees with PAMF Santa Cruz and Sutter is truly unique.
I think it's very extraordinary, and by that I mean highly unusual. We have access to some of the best specialty care in the county. Our patients are treated with real dignity. Great doctors, yeah. The doctors that I got to use are the same ones my mom gets to use, and she has full medical coverage, but these doctors are the same ones and they treat you just as good. I don't know of a community hospital that gives at the level that Sutter Santa Cruz does, and I've worked with other Sutter affiliates, and this one here is really, really remarkable.
It's a living kind of problem-solving organization that partners with public health and our community clinics in a really positive way. I share it with all my friends and tell them how blessed I am that there's programs out there that will take care of people, and it's part of my family. I know a lot of the doctors there, and I just love that hospital and all the people that work there.
The Sutter Maternity and Surgery Center and the Palo Alto Medical Foundation Santa Cruz. Community-based, not-for-profit. For more information, log on to PAMF.org.